do-it-yourself clock. Here are the materials you will need. Locate the hour hand and push it down into the white knob. Be sure to apply pressure until it is secure. Next, locate the minute hand and push it into the knob. Apply force and pressure to ensure the hand stays in place. Locate the second hand and place it on the very top. There should be a groove for the second hand, so apply pressure. Make sure the hands are in their correct positions by moving the second hand around. You know it is installed correctly when the minute hand moves faster than the hour hand. Finished! Now you can use it to tell time.